Welcome back guys, another NVM vlog, and in this vlog we're fitting our brand new wheel design, the NVF 05V, to this 335 diesel Touring, along with suspension and upgraded brakes. That's the NVF 05V, gloss black with yellow engraving. Should look really cool with the setup. Customers also gone for suspension and brake upgrade. The brake upgrade's done by Tarox, 8-pot calipers on the front with 360mm F2000 discs and 6-pot calipers at the back with 340mm F2000 discs. The Bilstein coilovers are also a great improvement. They are actually really good for fast road and track driving. It gives 10-point adjustment front and rear for bump and rebound, and it's got a good compression ratio to the actual spring itself, so it's nice and comfortable when needed. So we'll get all this fitted on there, get the wheels fitted on there and see what it looks like. So guys, the coilovers have been fitted. Bilstein B16s are inverted shocks on the back with 10-point adjustability, and as you can probably see, the spring pan is height adjustable as well. On the front, we've got stainless steel shock absorber again, height adjustability and 10-point adjustment at the bottom. So all in all, a really good setup, fast road setup with good adjustability as well. We're just going to take the brake calipers and the disc off and compare it to the Tarox and get them fitted, bled and get it on the ground. Standard 335 diesel disc, 330mm in diameter and 20mm thick, and the rear caliper is a single piston caliper compared to the Tarox brake upgrade kit, which is a 4-piston caliper, and obviously a 350mm disc that's 28mm thick, and it's got F2000 grooves to kind of cut the pad and dissipate the heat as best as possible. The front kit is also larger. The standard discs are 330 to 335mm in diameter, and they're 28mm thick, and it's a 4-piston caliper. I mean, the calipers on these are really good as standard, but when you get a bit of heat in them, they do tend to deteriorate. The 8-pot kit from Tarox is a great progressive caliper kit, so the pedal feel is actually like OEM, if not better. And obviously we've got a 360mm disc, that's 32mm thick. So we'll get the brake set up on there, finish off the suspension, get the wheels on there and get some photos. So guys, the tyres are on the alloys now. We're going to give them a quick clean up and a coating of carbon collectives, platinum ceramic. This should give about 18 months worth of coating to the vehicle, so it'll protect it from major debris, brake dust, water, mud and stuff like that, and it'll make it a lot easier for the customer to clean the wheel as well. That's the NVF 05Vs fitted, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4Ss, Bilstein B16 adjustable coilovers and Tarox full brake upgrade front and rear. the car looks absolutely amazing. We've got a dual rear exhaust system, and obviously it's tuned as well. NVM stage 1 with front intercooler. About 400 brake horsepower and 800 Newton meters of torque. We'll put a link below for the dyno video when we did tune this vehicle. But yeah, really happy with the results. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe as well. And we'll catch you in the next vlog.